welcome back to another Frankly DIY. Today I got bad struts in this Mercedes Sprinter 208 CDI, so I'm going to change out the front struts. I haven't seen many videos on YouTube that are doing this, so I'm going to just record this in the process and hopefully you learn something from it. Alright, let's get cracking. Alright, so you want to jack up from the jack points on the front. Now when you're doing this as well, you want to have another jack underneath the wishbone as well to hold the wheel up when you're taking it off and you're taking the strut out. Okay. Right, so with this strut, what was happening, there was a massive bang in the front of the van and it just dropped, so it was a suspension or strut collapse. So when I take this out, you'll get to see what's wrong with it compared to the new strut. Also, it'd be good practice to spray some WD-40 on all the nuts that you're going to take off. So you got the one in here as well. Just to loosen them up, leave some penetrating fluid on them for about 10 minutes and then get cracking. Okay, so trying to take out the strut and the anti-roll bar links are in the way for this bolt here. So I'm going to have to drop this anti-roll bar. So you got a 13mm bolt to take that out, so I can get a bit of room to take out that bolt in the strut. Okay, so those bolts are 19mm that are in the strut, and that's a 13. Okay, I got this strut out. Now I had to undo the roll bar nut in the side, so the drop links could have a bit of play, so it could get into the bolts on the left side here. But I'll show you now the difference in the shocks. Okay, so this is the old shock, just taking this out. See, it just retracts, it's just completely gone, retracts in the whole way. So that's snacker. This is the new shock, as you can see. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so there's the difference. Pull this out. Goes back in. As they say in Espanol, no es bueno, not good. So we'll change this in now, and hopefully that's it. So on this new strut, it's a a T40, which is different. The other one was the T45. You just need to hold the torque key in where you tighten up the strut. just to stop the middle of it moving. Okay, just to recap, so we've done the struts and found out that it was the leaf spring was broken. So I've done another video on changing out the broken leaf spring, which is not for the faint-hearted, but you can get it done if you got the tools. So this is all good to go now. It's time to get on the road. Thanks for watching.